Word of the day for the day, man, is very simple. Yet it's intricate at the same time. Don't announce moves, confirm arrivals. I'll say it again. Don't announce moves, confirm arrivals. It's like my man JS says all the time. We don't make moves, we make movements, right? But it's very important as you navigate and you actually set yourself in that position to win. You don't got to tell everybody, man, because the reality is that everybody don't wish you good, man. Might be a major news flash, but there's a lot of low key haters out there, right? It's like they're miserable for whatever reason it may be. They're stuck, they're complacent. Their life ain't really going the way they want it to go. They're not winning as much as they want. They scrolling on social media, they see other people winning and they feel some form of resentment, right? They low key haters. And that bad energy, we don't need that. We say all the time, keep the same energy. You want to be around people that align with your spirit, that align with your motives and your energy, right? Because, you got people, they'll start talking negative. They'll start putting pessimistic thoughts out there in the universe. And words do have power. I don't think people really understand the power of words, but you could either speak life or you could speak death. So you always want to surround yourself with good energy and protect your dreams, man. Protect them, man. Don't let anybody speak down about your dreams. Don't let anybody try to deter you or say, oh, that's just a little idea you got. Or you still doing that? Little shade that they throw. Don't pay no mind to that, man. Protect your dreams at all costs. And that is the word of the day.